So here's the first forge that I built. Built out of a helium tank, fairly small, one burner, and then basically put in fire brick and refractory cement, refractory mortar around it to hold it in place, but ready for a larger one and a more well insulated forge. So I'm going to go with a miniature keg, definitely a lot larger, and this time we're going to be using kale wool or ceramic wool to insulate. So we'll start tearing this apart.
Alright, let's roll.
Working on our burners. We've got a 3-burner setup going into the keg forge. Go ahead and show you the first one I did for the smaller forge. Basically it's all, you got brass fitting going for your gas supply, and then you got 1/4 inch running all the way, 1/4 inch valve. I got about a foot of galvanized 1/4 inch going into a street L, which goes into a coupling, and then that coupling has got a brass plug. Has been drilled out with a 1/32 drill bit, which worked well. No complaints. This is a 1-inch T, 3/4 inch by 1 inch reducer, and then a 3/4 inch nipple. This is 6 inches long. And then originally my first one was a 3/4 inch by 1 inch black iron flare. And you can see after about 2 months, it's already taken a beating. So the new setup will be having stainless steel bells, which should definitely take the heat a lot better. And then, so it's the same 3/4 inch by 1 inch stainless steel flares, and then you've got a 3/4 inch nipple. This one's 8 inches, going into a 3/4 inch by 1.5 inch flare. So what we'll be doing for the gas on this is basically we'll be drilling a hole all the way through and feeding this 1/4 inch brass pipe through. And so you got your 1/4 inch cap, you got a 4 inch by 1/4 inch nipple here, and then we'll be drilling and tapping these MIG tips. This is a .025 MIG tip. Which we will get that all set up. Same on the other side, cap, 4 inch nipple, 1/4 inch shut off. You got two 2 inch by 1/4 inch nipples, and then you got a 1/4 inch T. And then of course in the middle I'll be putting the MIG tip in the bottom of the T. Should be feeding the middle all the time, so the middle one will always be on, and then you can open or close the first and last. And other than that, went ahead and got the 1/2-inch bolts, which I'll be using for the feet of the forge, and we'll get started. Okay, now we've got the forge where we can at least test it. Everything's a little off right now because the torches are just being held with a temporary bracket. So we'll get that all straightened up, as well as finish the door, but we'll go ahead and test out the torches, see how they work.